Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
So specifically we'll demonstrate on a 2012 Ford F-150, but even if you have a different year, that generation truck, it should work, or it should be very similar, guys. You will have two fuse boxes on your Ford F-150. One is under the hood, you can see, right above the radiator fan, but we don't need this one for the third brake light. We will be working in the fuse box that's inside the cabin, on the passenger side in your truck, under the glove box, on the right side by the kick panel. That's where the fuses are. You remove that cover, open the fuse box, and it will look just like that. So by taking the picture, zooming in, we can clearly show you exactly which fuse you need to check, otherwise it's almost impossible, guys. Right here, okay, before we start, let us explain why it's super good idea to always test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money and time.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out.
So for the third brake light, you need to check three fuses, guys. We're going to start with the fuse. That's the first fuse will come in the left row right here from top to bottom. Okay, if you have a missing fuse, you still count that space. We'll start by checking fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That 12 fuse, that's 15 amp fuse in our case, that fuse is for the third brake light. From there you have one more fuse that you need to check. You go 13, 14, 15, so that one. That 15 amp fuse here, that one here, and then you have one more, which will be known as fuse number 30, guys. If you come in that row right here, will be the very first fuse on the top, that 15 amp fuse you will need to check. These three fuses will need to be checked.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.